What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to my work truck. I'm sitting at Walmart waiting on my groceries to come out to me because I dare not go inside a Midland Walmart. It is horrendous. The lines will take you longer than it takes to shop. So anyways, I figured this was now a good a time as any to start up a new vlog series of mine. We're going to give it a shot. It's going to be called Brad's Workbench Uncut. Mostly uncut. I am sick right now, if y'all can't tell, so if I hawk a loogie, get in a coughing fit, I'll spare y'all that. But today's topic is gonna be, can a person review tools that they got for free fairly? Can they? Subject I've been wanting to make a video about for a long time because I think there's a lot of factors that people don't think about. They just automatically assume somebody can't review something they got for free. We're going to touch on a couple different reasons why that's not quite true. I'm not going to say it's always wrong, but just hear me out, all right? First thing is, it's on the viewer. It's on you to pick a tool review channel you trust and also to watch multiple reviews. Not everybody uses the tools in the same way, and not everybody is going to have the same exact experience with a tool. You've got to definitely pick your people wisely. Look at a person's hands when they're giving a tool review. See that they've used the tool. You shouldn't be trusting anybody that breaks a tool out of a package and tells you how great it is right off the bat. There's no way anybody can know. I'm sorry, I don't care how many people say it, nobody can pick a tool up and feel its quality. I've been doing this 30 years, I can pick a tool up and know its quality. You won't believe how many people come to my channel and tell me that bullshit. And they probably truly believe it, but it's just impossible. You can have an idea. You can say, oh, this feels like a pretty good tool, but you don't know it. You don't know it until you've used it. I'd say at least 3 to 6 months. Probably longer, really. A lot of these tool review channels need to be using a tool at minimum 3 months before they give a review. I usually try to go 6. And if you're dealing with a reputable tool company, they won't give you any shit about it. If they do, you don't deal with them anymore. The only companies I've ever had try to even pressure me into reviews have been Chinese, let's just say foreign-based companies, okay? Any American company I've dealt with has never put pressure on me to get a review out in a certain time frame. They've never told me what to say. And when I've come to them and told them the negatives I've found with their tools, they've always said they're gonna look into trying to make a better product. So once you found a tool reviewer that you trust, that you feel has the integrity that they can review a tool for free, also think about the fact that they're not reviewing a tool for free. That review that we make as tool reviewers has value. Even when you're at 500 subs, 100 subs, that review has value because you're basically making a commercial for these companies. You're showing, actually it's even better than a commercial because it lasts longer. It comes from a person to another person. They're getting to see a tool up close, in person, basically in person over a phone, I guess, but they're getting to get a very good look at a tool, sometimes how it's used, and that is way more valuable than most tools that are sent out for review. I've gotten many tools sent to me for free that I have given fair, honest reviews on, and I haven't been overly excited about all of them. Some of them have been great, some of them have been meh. And by the way, if you're wondering why I keep looking over this direction, I'm waiting for my Walmart grocery order to come in, because it's delayed. Anyways, back on subject. So that review that the tool reviewer made is on YouTube for a lifetime. Whether his channel stays at 500 subs or whether his channel grows to 500,000, over 1 million, it's there for as long as the channel survives. And that is way more valuable than, let's say, on average, a $50 tool. Because I've gotten a lot of tools sent to me for free. I'd say on average the value of most of them is around $50 to $100, somewhere in that range. Another thing I want y'all to think about is, think about how you use tools that are not yours, tools you did not pay for. Maybe an employer bought a tool for you to use. Because if you're lucky like me, or like some of the other trades out there, you don't have to buy all your own tools. You mechanics got it rough. I'm telling you, you do. But this Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact, I didn't pay for this. This is not my tool, but it's a tool I use. Do you think I'm gonna treat this tool as nicely as if I bought it myself? Do you think other employees treat the other impacts we have as nicely as if they bought it themselves, as if they went out and spent $300 to pay for it? Hell no, they don't. They dog the living shit out of these tools. And getting a tool for free from a company is pretty much the same premise. You don't mind if that tool breaks because you didn't put any money into it. You have zero investment into it. You have zero to gain if it does great. You have zero to gain if it breaks. You also have zero to lose if it breaks. If it breaks, it breaks. No big deal. So most of the time when you get a tool for free, you're going to use it a whole lot rougher than if you went out and forked out $300, $400 for it, $100, $50. The value of that tool doesn't really play a factor in your mind when you're using it because you didn't pay anything for it. And lastly, I know y'all might have heard me say this before in live streams, but the need to justify the money spent on a tool to show you how great it is, because nobody wants to come up and say, look, I spent $50 on these dumb pliers. I know some people will, but 90%, whatever percent of people don't want to look like a fool on the internet. Alright guys, hopefully this wasn't too bad. Hopefully I don't sound too horrible. Let me know what you think about the series. If you like the vlogs type series, if these do work out, it should be easier for me to crank out a little bit more content without taking so long editing everything. I got a few other subjects in mind that I'm going to be coming out with. Hopefully I won't be dealing with the sore throat shit like I am now, and they'll sound a little bit better. I'm also got a mic coming on the way. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm way off base. Of course, these are always just my opinions. That's all we can give. No matter if you scream fact after a statement, that doesn't make it a fact. Most of what's said on the internet is opinions. That's just the way it is. But until next time, guys, fuck, I'm backwards. But until next time, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace! What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to my work truck. Get out of town. He has a work truck. Also, keep in mind, when them Chinese companies keep bothering you and they try to tell you what to say and they figure out you're not going to play by their rules, they quit bothering you real quick and they don't send you any of their shitty Chinese tools anymore. So if you're getting those emails, never do a refund thing. Never say never agree to be reimbursed after you buy the tool when a review is given. Don't play those guys' games. Your review is worth way more than their crappy Chinese tool anymore.